and this website is getting over 53 million visitors every single month. And as you can see down here, it's all tier 1 traffic, for example, United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Canada. And I was already able to make over $416 using this very powerful tool. What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars promoting a very specific niche product. Now, when promoting a very specific niche products, you need the right traffic source, because for a certain products, you need just the right audience to make those sales come in. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote a very specific niche product in a place that has laser targeted traffic for this type of offer. Now, to find the right traffic sources for this type of affiliate offers, I'm going to show you a very powerful tool on the internet that you can use completely for free to scout for places where you can promote offers that do not fall into the big niches of affiliate offers. For example, like dating, money making, self-improvement, and health and fitness. If you're going to promote something that doesn't fall into these niches, you can use this video as a guide how to promote those niches very effectively and make hundreds of dollars in the process. But before I actually show you the process and the powerful tool, I would just kindly like to ask you to show support for this channel, and you can do that by liking this video. Just scroll down, hit the like button, and also subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can put it to work right away and make the most amount of money with it. And now just let's get started with the method. Now I'm going to show you how I was able to make over $400 with a specific offer in a specific niche, and how I was able to find the right traffic source for this offer. Now you can use any affiliate network of your choice. You can go for ClickBank, you can go for Warrior Plus, you can go for any other affiliate network, but I'm going to show you how I was able to do it with Digistore24. Just go to Digistore24 and sign up for your free account if you're new. Otherwise, just log right into it, then go straight to the marketplace, and in the search bar you want to look for photography. As you can see, there are only 2 products right now on Digistore that have something to do with photography. One of them are photography presets, but that's not the one I'm going to focus on. I'm going to focus on this one, Photography Master. As you can see, you get 70% commission on this, which makes you around $25 per sale. Now again, I gotta say this is not about this exact affiliate offer. You can use any niche affiliate offer that you want. I'm just going to show you how I was able to do this so you can copy and replicate the same results. Once you find the affiliate offer that you want to promote, just go ahead and get its affiliate link. Next, you want to find out how well is this niche doing on search results. For that, just go to ubersuggest.com, and you want to look for the keyword of the niche that you're promoting. Just type in the keyword, for example. As you can see, for photography, for example, over 300,000 people are looking for it each month, and it's going to show you how well a specific niche is doing in search results. For example, you can see in the United States, over 300,000 people every month are looking for photography niche. And if you look at the paid difficulty, this is a number that indicates how big is the competition in the specific niche. For example, for this is very low because there's not that many people promoting photography products, which means out of these 300,000 people, if you can find the right place to promote your offer, you can make money very easily because the competition is not that high. And actually, what you want to do if you're promoting any affiliate offer, you may want to check how well it's doing on this website right here, ubersuggest.com. This is one of the 2 powerful tools that you can utilize in affiliate marketing to make hundreds of dollars and to get ahead of everyone else, because this is all about attention. The more attention you can get to your product, the more sales you're going to make. So you want to use every possible tool that you can find to get ahead in that race. And right now I'm giving you for free one of the tools that I'm using on daily basis to make hundreds of dollars on Autopilot. And now just let's move on with this method. What you want to do next is go to Google, and you want to search for Similar Web Extension. This is a great tool. This is the second tool actually I'm going to show you that you can use to find the right places for your traffic to promote niche offers. Just go to this website right here, download it as an extension to your browser. I'm already using it, so I can't download it twice. And actually, how this extension works, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go to Fiverr, I'm going to turn on the extension, and as you can see right here that Fiverr is getting 61.7 million monthly visits, and average visit duration is about 14 minutes. And right here you can see that the most amount of traffic Fiverr gets is from United States, then from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and United Kingdom. And just using this data, you're able to determine if the website is right for promoting of your niche offer or not. Now, just using this extension, I was able to discover this site right here. It's called Flickr.com. This is a website where people can post their photos and videos, and it's specifically targeted for that niche, for photography and video. Now, some of you may have heard of Flickr before, but I actually didn't. And when I discovered it, and I seen that this gets 53 million visits every month, and most of that traffic comes from United States, then United Kingdom and Germany, I could see that this site has huge potential for promoting photography related products. That's why I went to Digistore, looked for photography related products, and I realized that I can advertise the product on this site, and there's definitely going to be some sales. So what you want to do actually is, if you want to advertise on Flickr, for example, you need to post a video, something like you would do with TikTok or Instagram Reels. And to do that very simply, you don't even have to record anything yourself. What you want to do actually is go to do, go to a website like pexels.com, for example, that's offering free stock footage, and look for videos that has something to do with photography. Just type in photography in the search bar and you get all these copyright-free videos that have something to do with photography. That just go ahead and something that's responding well with the product you're trying to promote. In this case, I'm promoting photography, so I'm going to look for photography videos. If you're promoting makeup, go for makeup videos. If you're promoting dog training course, go for cute dogs or something like that. Then choose a video that you like, just simply click on the download button and it's going to download to your computer completely for free. Next, what you want to do is go to canva.com and you want to upload the video that you have downloaded. Then you just want to upload your video to Canva. Just go to text button right here, add a subheading, and all you need to write there is something that's going to direct people to your bio or to the description of the video. So in my case, I'm going with something like this: make videos like this with my presets, find them below. This is all you need to add to your video to direct people to your description, and that's where you want to promote the affiliate link. Now just go ahead and download this video from Canva, download it as a MP4 to your computer, then just go back to Flickr, click this upload button right here at the top, and you want to upload the video here. The next thing to do is just grab your affiliate link from the affiliate marketplace, but because Flickr isn't very friendly for affiliate links, you need to create a bridge page. A bridge page is just an ordinary site that has your affiliate link on it, so people can go to the bridge page and from there be directed to your affiliate link, and you won't get any trouble with Flickr. Now to create a simple bridge page, I highly recommend you use Tapalink. Just go to Tapalink, sign up for your free account, and then you can simply create your bridge page just using one of these templates. Now for example, for photography, I'd like to go with something that has a nice background, for example this one. Then you want to just customize it a little bit. For example, brand name, I'm going with something like end this video presets, click below. Then what you want to do is just click on this block right here. I'm going to name it something like video presets for street shoots. Then what you want to do in this action section, you just want to paste your affiliate link into this field right here, just simply like that, and it's pretty much done. Then just click on save on changes, and just like that this becomes a clickable button, and just like that this becomes a clickable button. Once people go to this site, they will click on this button, go to the sales page, make a purchase there, and you will make some money. And actually guys, this is for the people who are still watching, who hasn't left yet. You need to customize these two buttons as well. What I recommend doing this, and what I did to multiply my results, is go back to Digistore, grab another affiliate offer from your favorite marketplace, and just like this create this simple bridge page button. And with one bridge page you can direct people to multiple affiliate links. So you can have, for example, like 5 affiliate links on this one bridge page, and you can just promote this bridge page on multiple sites. That way you can multiply your traffic to your affiliate links. Once you're done customizing the buttons, just click on publish right here, and you want to name your page something. For example, I'm going with home just to make it not so suspicious. Then just click on connect, copy your bridge page link right here, then go back to Flickr, and in this description right here you want to add something like, for the same presets that I used to take this beautiful street shot, check out my blog, and then just paste your Taplink bridge page there, and that way you can direct people to your affiliate link without getting into trouble with Flickr or any other website that may not be affiliate link friendly. Then what you want to do is just publish this video and actually go ahead and select multiple of these, because same with like TikTok or any other short video content, you want to create multiple of these videos with the same affiliate link, with the same link to your bridge page actually, and one of them is going to go viral. People start coming to the sales page through your affiliate link and they start making sales that way. And that's pretty much all you need to do to start making hundreds of dollars with affiliate marketing very simply. You need to utilize the right tools. You need to utilize right tools, for example like SimilarWeb right here, to look for the right place to promote your affiliate links, and also Uber suggests to see how well the specific niche is performing on search results in the selected country. So if you made it till now and watched the entire video, congratulations. Now you can go ahead and start your journey in affiliate marketing, promoting very specific niches, and I really hope you found some value into this video. Now if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more money making content where I'm going to show you how to make money without actually having to sell anything, check out this video right here, and I'm going to see you next time.